Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add PayPal to your digital wallet. First, make sure you have an active PayPal account with your credentials ready. You will also need a smartphone with your chosen digital wallet application, like Apple Pay or Google Wallet, already installed. A stable internet connection is crucial for seamless communication between your apps, so double-check your Wi-Fi or cellular data before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth setup process. Once your digital wallet app is open, navigate to the section for adding a new card or payment method. This is usually represented by a plus sign or an Add Payment button, often located within the Settings or Account area. From the list of available options, look for and select PayPal. This step initiates the secure connection between your digital wallet and your PayPal account, setting the foundation for convenient transactions. After selecting PayPal, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal login page within your wallet application. Enter your PayPal username and password, then authorize the connection. You might need to complete a two-factor authentication step, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email, which adds an extra layer of security. Review the permissions carefully, and then confirm your choice to link the accounts, ensuring all details are accurate. Once authorized, your digital wallet will display a confirmation message, and PayPal should now appear as a selectable payment method. You are now ready to make secure purchases using your digital wallet, seamlessly leveraging your PayPal funds or linked payment sources. Enjoy the convenience of faster checkouts, whether you are shopping online or paying in a physical store. If you face any difficulties, double-check your steps or reach out to the app support team for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.